In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step in the easiest way possible. If you're using Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser right now, that's completely fine, because you can use your current browser to get Chrome installed in just a few minutes. And once Chrome is installed, it usually opens automatically, so you can start using it right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open whatever browser is already installed on your computer. If you're on Windows, that might be Microsoft Edge. And if you've already got another browser installed, like Mozilla Firefox, you can use that too. The reason we start here is because you need a browser to download Google Chrome from the official website. So don't worry if Chrome is not installed yet. That's exactly what we're fixing right now. Once your browser is open, go to the Google Chrome download page. The easiest way is to search for Google Chrome Download, or type the official Chrome website into the address bar. Make sure you're downloading from Google's official page so you get the genuine installer and not a third-party download. This is important for both safety and performance. When the Chrome download page loads, you'll see a big download button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do that, Google will automatically detect whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, so you do not need to choose your operating system manually. That makes the process nice and simple. After you click the download button, the Chrome installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. While it downloads, you can usually see the progress in your browser's download bar or in the download section. Once it finishes, you'll need to open the downloaded file to start the installation. Look for the file named ChromeSetup.exe. In most cases, it will appear in your Downloads folder, and you may also be able to click it directly from the browser's download list. Once you find it, double-click the file to run the installer. This is the step that starts the actual installation process. Now, if Windows shows a security prompt asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" that is completely normal. This is Windows checking that you really want to install the program. When that message appears, click Yes to continue. Once you approve it, Chrome will begin installing automatically. At this point, you do not need to do much else. Google Chrome will download any required files it needs and install the browser on your system for you. Depending on your computer and internet connection, this may take a short moment, but the process is usually very quick and very straightforward. When the installation is finished, Google Chrome will typically open automatically. That means you can start browsing right away without needing to search for the app manually. If it does not open immediately, you can always find it from your Start menu or on your desktop if a shortcut was created. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Google Chrome on Windows 10 or Windows 11. From here, you can sign in to sync your bookmarks, extensions, and passwords, or just start using Chrome as your default browser. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.